Finally. Hi, how's it going? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Some. Welcome to the best place on the internet. Now that you took a break and you took it to my channel, I am so excited that you are here. Can you guess what I'm reviewing Can you guess what I am doing a tutorial on today? I'm gonna give you a hint. Yes, by the title, by the thumbnail, by my excitement, I am finally reviewing and doing a tutorial using the Jackie Aina palette in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my god, I'm literally 2 months late, but I am here. I am so excited to finally do this palette. Like, I have the palette right here. I want to get this crack-a-lackin', schmack-a-lackin' and poppin'. This palette is absolutely beautiful. There's 1,000 reviews on the internet, so thank goodness you're on mine. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, as you will be a part of my glam fam. I'm so excited for you to be a part of it. Let's jump into this tutorial and let's get it done and have some fun. So I already have my brows on because I just wanted to get those out of the way. I was going to do my face first, but I don't know how the fallout in this palette is. But I can tell you now, look at these shades. Look at these freaking shades. So I'm going to go ahead and start reviewing this palette. I'm so excited to use it. This is gonna be great, y'all. So I'm gonna do some product specs of this beautiful palette. It has like a snakeskin type covering, which is so cute to me. And it has her Jackie Aina logo created by her fiance Dennis. He's great, and this is so creative. This palette comes with 14 shades. 14 shades of color. It has vibrant, beautiful neutrals, cool tones, warm tones, shimmers, mattes, everything. It has everything. But I am so excited to get into this palette, so let's get started. So to prime my eyelids for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Concealer. This is the shade 410, and I'm going to be putting it all over my eyelids. Taking the Morphe M516, I'm going to be using that to blend out all this concealer. First things first, I'm going to be taking the shade Ginger. I really like this shade, so it looks like a really pretty transition shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe M504 and use this as my transition shade. Whoa, so pigmentation's crazy. I see. I'm taking Ginger again, but on a smaller blending brush. It's the M514 versus the big one. I'm gonna go back in that crease but closer down and deepen it. Deepen it, darling. Deepen it. So far, I love this brown. I love it. And I'm gonna take edges just because I like that color. I didn't even see that. Like, I totally skipped over that. I'm gonna go above that first transition shade because I want to add more layer into this. I know it looks really muddy right now and not blended, but we are also still playing around. I'm just trying to see how this palette works. Now taking credit on the other brush, I'm gonna build up this towards the outer part of this eye look, and I'm not taking it past like the center of my pupil. I'm just literally taking it like halfway. Taking credit again, but I'm gonna do a more diagonal side look like this. Like go bring it down, kind of making, this is another eyeshadow technique, kind of bring it down like that. Go ahead and taking that concealer that I used on my eyelids, I'm going to be cutting my crease. Is a perfect cut crease. I'm going to be taking the shade Edges and putting it right there. And now I'm going in with the shade Credit again and blending out the edges of this. Okay, so I really want to use this color Sponsored. It really stuck out to me. I'm going to use the color Sponsored as my lid color. Oh, that's so pretty. Ah, look at that. Oh. I'm also just going to pat more color onto the lid just to get as much pigmentation as I can. So I'm just going to finish the eyes really quick by adding liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my eyes are done, or the top part of my eyes are done, I'm going to get started on the complexion of this makeup. So for my foundation primer today, I haven't used this in a long time, but this is like one of my favorites. She's gonna dip it all over the face. When I wear this oil, my foundation always looks the best. Foundation today, I'm taking my fave right now at the moment, the InstaBake Beauty Bakerie foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be taking the same one I used for the cut crease and the same one I used to prime my eyelid. One thing about it though, it is a little light. So I'm going to take a little bit of the InstaBake concealer, that's the one that's too dark for me, and put a little bit with it to mix it in. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 30, Medium Deep. This is one of my favorite loose setting powders for the under eye. I took a break from it just to try other powders, but I always find my way to come back to this powder. It's amazing. I've been putting a lot of my friends onto it, and it's great. And also, this concealer does tone down your concealer a little bit. I mean, this powder does. So, like, if you have a concealer that's, like, too light or anything, I would recommend using this powder to tone everything down. I'm just going to bronze with my Morphe bronzer. To contour my nose, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in C8. The slight contour just to put a little definition. I'm going to be blushing with the e.l.f. 4 Quad, the Quad Blush Trio. This is the dark one. Now for my favorite setting spray is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Guys, I have been trying to get my hands on this forever. Every time I go to Ulta, it's always sold out. And I only like to buy my products in store. Like, I'm weird. I'm not really a order online type girl because I hate waiting for things. But so I finally got it, and this junk, your face will not go anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this, and it's, look how soft it is. It's just so soft. It's not like For highlighter, I'm using the A Collection Sunkissed skin dewy drops, dewy skin drops. Dewy drops there. And I take my beauty blender and just kind of, or my sponge, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be taking edges along the bottom of my eyes. On a smaller, more dense brush, I'm taking ginger as well. And finally, credits, closest to the lash line. Finishing up with mascara. And then, like always, add some bling bling to the inner eye. I'm taking Trust Issues. I'm putting it in my inner corner. Ooh, look at that. OMG. That is exactly what this needed. Just a NYX brown lip liner, nothing special. And my Maybelline Seductress matte lipstick. Y'all know the deal, pickle. Okay, now with a little bit of Fighter just to tone it down a little bit. Ooh, this is okay. Hello. Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look, the look in its completion. I am so freaking happy I got to use this palette. As you can see, this look is just gorgeous. I couldn't do without you, Jackie. I am so happy to finally be getting to this palette and using this palette. It is beautiful. For me, it is just like another eyeshadow palette in my collection. The colors were beautiful. They were very, 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 very pigmented. Like she said, when she made this, she wanted a palette brown girls could use and not have any problem or have to grab another palette or anything like that. And she's right. I didn't have to use anything else. I'm so happy. And plus, it has Jackie Aina's name on it. That's just crazy. That's cool. And I just, one day, hopefully, I can do the same. Thank you so much, Jackie and Norvina and Anastasia, for creating this beautiful palette. I am in love with literally everything. Once again, y'all, if you enjoyed this look, don't forget to like and comment and definitely subscribe. I enjoyed this video and I enjoyed everything. I can't wait to see you in my next video, okay? And if you didn't see my last one, what are you doing? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.